Presenting the OPPO Reno8 Pro 5G. It has 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM, 17.02 cm, 6.7-inch. It is powered by Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 50MP plus 8MP plus 2MP 32MP front camera, 4500 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery, Mediatek Dimensity 8100 Max processor. It also features front camera. The delivery box contains handset, charger and USB data cable. SIM ejector tool, safety guide, and quick guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.